What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This video is the last episode of my budget media console build, and I have to say it's been a fun project. And I really like how it came out. This table, it's not maybe the prettiest or the most modern style table, but it fits perfectly to the living room with old school cassettes and LP records, and next to the rocking chair. My original budget for this build was about 50 Swiss francs, which is about the same in euros. But after some optional extras, I spent about 75 francs. I think it's a very reasonable price for a strong functional table, and I mean strong. You can dance on it. I believe me, I tried. And no, I didn't film that. After this build, it's time to move on to the next project. And thank you all for watching my videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my upcoming videos. Okay, without further ado, enough talking, more woodworking. Let's finish this table. So, it's been now drying over night, and the 6 hours what they told, okay, it was at least 6 hours to dry, but 6 hours for this, it wasn't enough. It was very sticky, and I think in some part it's still a little bit sticky, but most of it dried. It is a little bit rough now, so I think I have to sand it. At least this top part I will sand, and maybe also these I will sand with 120 paper, and then I will add another layer of this wax. But I think it looks pretty good. Smell is not so good when it's wet, this wax, but I think the smell is going away. Yeah, so far so good. Okay, Mom, I think now it's the time for you to look away. The start is a little bit tricky how it goes. At least I have some eye protection. Okay, hold your breath. It looks so nice, and next I will put some, I will let it dry a little bit because I was cleaning it with this wet thing, and then I will add some wax. So this 0003, that means that this is actually my kind of third project. Okay, this wasn't in my original plan, but it will hide this ugly part of this behind part, so I will do it. It's easy to do, just using nails and nails are cheap.